Hello dear chess friends and welcome to our video. Here we would like to demonstrate the installation process of our digital products, and for this purpose we will use our latest product, 3-in-1 CD containing Chess Informant's 116, 117 and 118. It is important to emphasize that our latest products are predominantly designed for chess-based users. Nevertheless, all other users can open them with Chess Assistant or any PGM viewer, though the procedure will slightly differ from the one we would like to present here. Anyway, we'll get back to this later in the video. Let's start after inserting CD in your CD or DVD drive. If autoplay is correctly set on your computer, it should automatically open this small window where you should select Open Folder to view files. If for any reason autoplay doesn't get activated, then simply enter the CD content through your file manager. If you're a download user, first unzip the package that you received. In any case, now you should get directed to the list of files that the product contains. Here, simply double-click Setup Start Here, and the installation begins immediately. When the first screen appears, just click Next and enter the provided serial number here. In the next window, you will see the path at which all our products will be installed. By default, it is set to be Chess Informant folder inside your Documents folder, and this specific product will be placed in the folder named Chess Informant 116 to 118, as you may see. The good thing with this is that all our products will get installed by default under Documents Chess Informant. But you will also have related icons on your desktop after installation, so no worries about the location at your computer. Of course, more advanced users may choose different location by changing the path of the destination folder. Now, just click Next and wait until the installation is finished. Okay, let's stop here for a minute. This is the last step of the installation. Since our latest products are prepared as chess-based books, it is considered that you are using chess-based. Any version of it should be fine. If so, then leave the option Launch Chess Informant 116 to 118 checked and click the Finish button. If not, we will explain other steps later. Okay, now when the installation is completed and the automatic launching option is checked, we find ourselves in the content page of the product. Having in mind that this is a 3-in-1 product, the content page is here divided into 3 different volumes of Chess Informant, 116, 117 and 118. Clicking on each of them will guide you to its own content. Let's get into 116 for example, and just let me briefly show you how it goes. All columns are numerated, and the only thing to follow is the behavior of your mouse pointer. When it changes to a hand, it's definitely a link that guides you to the related column or its database directly. Here, 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 not here. Okay, let's pick Gary's Choice, for example. If you take a look at the top of your screen, it says Text 116, Gary's Choice by GM Garry Kasparov. Remember, this is our guiding light for this column. You can read it slowly. And now here you can see that there are many game links like this, 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 So all those links belong to the games. Actually, the main game is this one. And the rest are reference games which are used for explaining variations. Let's get into the main game. Okay, we're in now, and let's play through just until the moment where first reference games appear. Okay, it's here. Here you can see the reference games, the same ones that were named in the text file. As you may notice, all these games are referenced, and if one wishes to play them on as well, you should just simply switch to our guiding light. Here. Find the exact spot, here, 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 when the reference games are mentioned, and then select any of it just for the example. So, from this moment, in which black has good counterplay by Gary's annotations, which can be seen here, it says good counterplay for black, you can see how it developed further and how black eventually won the game. Now, just please compare this with the use of the PGN files. Let's say you enter the PGN folder from the CD that you have in your CD drive. So you now see the list of games, of all games from all columns as well as from the traditional section. So the question is, would you be able to recognize which game belongs to which column? Yes, one may try with following the game order and the belonging echo codes. But not every column deals with the same openings and the same echo code. So the point here is exactly that our guiding light provides you an easy solution. It's like a restore point from where you are free to choose where to go further. You may want to play through all the reference games. Or you will say, okay, I need to pause and see some other column. For that purpose, we have to get back to the content of 116 and see, for instance, another column. Or we were here. Or you say, I want to get back to the content of this volume and I want to switch to another volume, let's say. So you go back to, let's do it easier way. We get back to this, and now we select, let's say, 118. So, whatever your choice might be, simply keep the guiding light in use and do not close it until you want to finish with going through these materials. Regarding the reference games, main games, or other databases, you may feel free to close them, because you can always call them again from the guiding light. So you can do it over and over again. Okay, this is 118, but let's say we want to get back to 116. We go back to the content of 118, then to the content of this 3-in-1 CD, to 116, and now back to Gary's choice of 116. So, this seems quite convenient, don't you think? Well, folks, this would be all regarding the topic. If you think that we missed something or you need any additional explanation, for all your questions, comments and suggestions, we are available almost 24/7 at chess@informant9066.com. Be well, stay tuned, and we see each other soon in our next